In this video, I'm gonna show you how you could get rich off copying other people's trades. So basically, it's this app called FOMO, right? So basically what it is, it has this like leaderboard system, and you can see all the top traders in 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and all time. Let's just say you go to 24 hours and you want to pick this guy, right? You can follow him, and it's gonna put this bells. You're gonna click on those bells, right? Once you do that, you can see all of his open positions and trades. So right now he has trade right here, and you can see where he sells and where he buys. And whenever he buys, it's gonna send you a notification like this. It's gonna send you a notification like this. As you can see, this person bought this coin at this time. Look, he bought it and is dipping. So yeah, basically whenever you see a notification, you check the trade and you see if it's good. And then once you do that and you want to buy, you could add money to your account like this. You have to deposit first. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.